Hello viewers, I welcome you all in SR Education Python tutorial. For today's video, the topic is data structures in Python. Today we are going to see that what list is, what tuple is, and I'll tell you one more data structure, that is dictionary. Right? So you must have heard of these three data structures in Python. Let's start with ideally without wasting time. Let's see the importance and limitations of each. Let me give you ideally. First, I'll explain you what list is. And if I ask you what list is, what do you think? What list is? Why do we make list? We create list when we have so many items, so that to refer each one of them is very easy. For example, I have to keep class test marks for my 35 students. How I'm keeping it? And it is a subject is C, so I see as the first one. And then roll number wise, I used to keep doing this. So that suppose let's for now let's talk on only 5 students. So it was a 25 marks class test. So just these are the marks of students. So suppose I have class roll number 3. So how I'm doing it in Python? I like minus 3 and 3 minus 1 equals to 2. एक पीछे लेना है ना, तो index is 2, go for 2. Because you know in programming, indexing starts with 0. In every programming language like C, C++, Java, everywhere you'll see indexing starts with 0. So let's run this program now. So it shows me the marks on the third value was 22. So 0, 1, 2. The value there 23. So list, why list is used? List is used to store so many values together in one variable. And these values can be referred by their index numbers. In Python, along with other languages, indexing starts with 0. Now, what if I have to print name also along with the marks? What I'm making a list of names also. And I'm to print marks 40. So as I see, BT is there on 0, 1, 2, index number 2. So and here print compiler is showing me DT and she has not go up to 2. Because I feel it's very clear to you now why to use this, how to use this index now. We'll see some more list programs later on. As you know that this is just a intro video for list, tuple, and for each of these data structures, I'll show you many other programs also. So as the list is done, we'll now move to tuple. So I'll paste the same because in tuple the only difference is about the parentheses. Right? Instead of big bracket, we are using here parentheses, and this is let's say I think it is giving me the same result, Deepti, and she is found. Now the question is, what is the difference between list and tuple, and what is the need of these two different structures with the same purpose? So the difference is that list is mutable. Yes, you can change the value of list, but you cannot change values of the tuple, and so it is not immutable. This means you can change your password number of times you want, but can you change your ID also? है? आप अपनी आईडी एक बार क्रिएट करते हैं, यू हैव क्रिएटेड एन अकाउंट, उस अकाउंट का पासवर्ड whenever we feel like we should change, हो सकता है ये लीक हो गई हो, या after regular intervals we keep on changing our passwords, right? We keep on changing our ATM pin, but can we also change our account number or the card number? No, that's not in our hand. We cannot change the card number or account number or the Gmail ID. We have not got that access. But the number of times we want, we can change the PIN or the password. So this is because of the types of data structures. Right? This can be implemented using the type of different data structures. So we can say that IDs are stored in tuples and passwords are stored in list, and that is why it can be changed. So let's try to modify marks of DT. Right, so to modify marks of DT, I need to write CS of 2 equals to, suppose she's saying that there is total mistake, it is coming to 23. So let me try to make it 23. Is it possible in tuple? Now let me again print her marks. See, I'm getting the error. What error is? Let me show you. Error says tuple object does not support item assignment. So tuple is immutable. Now let's try the same for list. Let me put this section in comment. If the same is an out for list or not. DP. See, we are able to change the marks for DP now. पहले उसके 22 थे, now it's coming to 23. We are able to modify the marks. Why? Because we are using this time list. I hope it is very clear to all of us. Right? Now let's move to another topic for today's video, that is dictionary. What is the use of dictionary? Okay. So let me put this again. We should see how to code for a dictionary, what dictionary is. Let me tell you that dictionary stores the values in the form of एक key होगी और उस key पे एक value होगी. That is why it is called dictionary. Dictionary में जैसे alphabets A for जितने भी words है, you can see it there, right in that section. So similarly for B, C, D, other alphabets also. So dictionary stores the value in the same format. You specify the key and the number of values we want to put. You can put it in the form of a list. For example, I'm showing you a very simple, dictionary here. Suppose class teacher maintains a roll number and name list. So how she is doing it? How in software it can be done? Right? So we are making the class attendance. I must tell you, in Python, these punctuations in every programming language, these punctuations have got very specific purpose. The moment you make a small parenthesis, it becomes a chunk. The moment you put big bracket, it becomes a list. And here I am putting curly braces, so a compiler will treat it as a dictionary. So key value. My key is roll number 1, and then I need to put a comma. And at roll number 1, I have a student. Again, at roll number 2, I have another student. Just bring the dictionary. It is coming in this form, key and then. Suppose I want to print the name. So for particular key, compiler will show the corresponding result. That is specified along with that. I hope it is very clear how tuple works, how list works, and how this dictionary works. Right? तो आगे की जितने भी आगे के वीडियोस में इनके एप्लीकेशंस बताऊंगी, इन पे बेस्ड प्रोग्राम्स बताऊंगी. So there should be very much clear to all of you that what these different data structures are. So in next video, I'll record list based programs, and then again tuple based and dictionary based. Right? So keep learning, keep rocking. Give me a like if you really feel like it's a help, you are able to understand the concepts. That is my pleasure. Please like my video as well as do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.